down the hall. I just wanted to say hi.
Don't go there. I can't see you anymore. Okay, there you go.
Answers, come on. I'm going for a job.
Oh!
Come on.
Coming. I can't see you.
Too bad.
Come on! Jennifer.
Yep.
Oh, I kind of figured that one out.
Wait up.
Oh, we're taping, are we?
Liam's new name is William.
William, why?
Say bye, Haley.
William.
Oh, Haley, say goodbye.
Dad, that's not how you do it.
Haley.
I'm just trying something different here.
Haley.
Yeah?
Say goodbye.